In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Drive in Notion. By the end, you'll have your file neatly displayed on a Notion page so you and your team can view it without switching tabs. First, head over to your Google Drive and locate the file you want to embed. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, or most other Drive-hosted files. Once you've selected it, look for the option to copy its link. You'll typically see a share or get link icon that looks like a chain link. Click that, then choose copy link. A quick tip here. If you plan to share this Notion page with others, make sure the Google Drive link has the right viewing permissions. If the file is private, other viewers might see an error in Notion, so set it to allow access as needed. Now go to notion.com, click login, and sign into your account. Once you're in, select the workspace where you want to add this embed. Navigate to the specific page where the Google Drive file should appear. This could be a project hub, a documentation page, or a personal notes page, anywhere you want that file to live. On the page, place your cursor where you want the embed to go and type a / on your keyboard. This opens Notion's quick command menu. A drop-down will appear with lots of options. Scroll through and look for the option labeled File. Click that. When the file block appears, choose Embed Link. This tells Notion you're going to paste a web link rather than upload a local file. Paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into the field provided. Double check that it's the correct link, then click Embed Link. Notion will fetch a preview and place the embedded file directly on your page. Give it a moment to load. If you see a permission warning or a blank preview, it usually means the Google Drive sharing settings need to be adjusted so the file can be viewed through the link. That's it. You've successfully embedded your Google Drive file in Notion. From here, you can keep writing around it, organize your page, and reference the file without leaving Notion. This is a great way to keep your docs and your notes connected, streamline collaboration, and save time switching between tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.